What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install SuperATV's rear cargo conversion on this Polaris RZR XP4 Turbo. So let's get right to it. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and open our rear door to our machine. We're going to reach inside and grab the latch on the back side of the seat and lift our seat out of the machine. So we're just going to reach right in between the seat back and the seat base. Grab the lever, lift up, and remove the seat from the machine. Next, we're going to remove our seat base from our factory seat. Your hardware will most likely look different. Ours has been changed at some point down the road. So we're just going to remove the base, and we'll go ahead and set this base aside. All right, so what you're going to need for this next step is 2 of the short Allen-headed hardware, which will be a M10 by 30. You're going to need 4 of your spacers, and 4 of your M10 by 55 millimeter Allen-headed bolts, as well as 6 flat washers. So now we're going to take one of our short Allen-headed bolts with one of our flat washers. We're going to grab a bracket out of the kit, line up the holes on the bracket with the holes on the rear cargo base, and come all the way to the back side, which the side that has the cutout. You're going to slide your hardware up through the bracket, grab another one of your flat washers, and then grab one of the provided nylock nuts in the kit. So now we're going to repeat the same exact step on the opposite side. Take our hardware, slide it through our base as well as our bracket, put a flat washer, and then a nut. So now we're going to grab 2 of our long Allens with 2 of our flat washers. We're going to slide them through our base, up through our bracket. And once the hardware's through, I like to sit it back on my bench top, that way it holds them. And we're going to repeat the same steps over here for the opposite side. Just take 2 of your long Allens, slide it through. So now we're going to grab our 4 spacers and slide them over all 4 of our bolts, just like so. So now we're going to grab our seat base that we previously removed from our factory seat. And we want to make sure that the handle that's going to release the seat is facing towards this cutout. You just want to make sure that your base, your factory seat base, where the 2 notches are, line up with the big circle opening in the cargo area. So now we're going to grab 4 more of our nylock nuts and 4 more of our flat washers. We're going to install the flat washers on top of the seat base over all 4 of the bolts, and then the nylock nuts. So now what we're going to do is fully tighten all of our hardware. We're using a 17 millimeter socket and a 6 millimeter Allen. So now we're going to take our cover, and as you can see, it has a bracket along the bottom side. This is going to line up with the cutouts on the conversion kit. So just take it, drop it straight in, and then lock it into place, rotate it. To remove it, line it back up, just pull it straight out. So now we're just going to repeat the same exact steps that we repeated on our opposite side seat. We're going to go ahead and remove it. And then remove the base off of this seat. Now we're just going to remove the base from our seat. Before you install your brackets to your conversion, you want to make sure you lay it in your machine, make sure it's oriented correctly. We just did this, so we are good to go. Take our nut, our bolt, 2 washers, slide it through, 2 bolts, spacers, base, washers, and our nuts. Now we're going to fully tighten all our hardware. Slide it in, just like you would your seat. It'll lock into place. So once you have both of your bases installed, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's rear seat conversion on this Polaris RZR XP4. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.